Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a samosa that's not only delicious but also beautiful to look at. With its unique folded design, crispy outer layer and flavorful potato filling, this unique design aloo puff samosa is perfect for tea time, parties or family gathering. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix everything well. Now add 1/3 cup water and make a smooth dough. Apply a little oil on top and let it rest. For the filling, take 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Add half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon crushed green chili. Add 3 tablespoon corn flour and 3 tablespoon rice flour. Finish with fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything well until the filling is firm and easy to shape. Rice flour helps create extra crispiness. Take a portion of dough and roll it into a thin sheet. Roll the dough evenly for a better shape. Let the dough rest before rolling. Spread the potato mixture. Fold as shown and cut into strips. Now place a chopstick or stick in the center and carefully fold the dough to create a beautiful pattern. Creative folding style can turn simple snacks into party favorites. Once shaped, remove the stick gently. Heat oil on medium flame. Place the prepared samosas into the hot oil. Fry on medium heat for a crispy and evenly cooked texture. Homemade samosas can be made in endless shape and design. Fry until they become golden brown, crispy and beautifully puffed. Potatoes provide energy and help make your unique design aloo puff samosa is ready, crispy, beautiful and packed with flavor. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more creative snacks, unique food ideas and easy homemade recipes.